Good afternoon, sir. I'm Jinky Alagan from BSIC 3B. Then, hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Microsoft Windows Calculator. So I'm going to show you how to copy calculations made on the Windows Calculator and paste the results into a Notepad document. As you can see, Notepad is open on the left side of my screen here. Then, and the calculator is here on the right side. For this demonstration, let's just perform a simple subtraction problem. Okay. So enter the current year, which is 2017. Then subtract the year you were where are you born, which is 1997, and click equals. Okay. Spend a few minutes in disbelief that you really are this old, then just smile and accept. With the number visible on the display, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy this number. This is a quick and easy way to transfer calculation from the Windows calculator to another application on your computer. Then, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Goodbye.